sending money from Australia to Nepal using Remitly is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can send money from Australia to Nepal using Remitly. So the process is pretty simple. You have to, go to the Remitly app. You have to log into the account. After logging into the account, you simply have to, go to this section. And this is how the main homepage looks. You just have to select send money to, and there you have to simply search for Nepal. So let me just search Nepal. We go to the N keyword section, MN, and it should be here. As you guys can see, I can send money to Nepal. Now, as you guys can see, my normal currency is in dollars, but my normal currency is in United States dollar. But in order to change that, you just simply have to change it from here. It should be here Australia. Just have to change it right here. What it will do is it will change your money to your Australian dollars and the sending to Nepal. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.